Hi all. In this video, we will see how to access the S3 bucket and its files from a user interface. Okay, usually there are two ways to access your S3 bucket. One is through a web console. Through the Amazon S3 service, you can see your S3 buckets and the files and the folder inside that. Another way is through the command line interface. To access through a command line interface, you need to have an IAM user with full access to S3 bucket and access key and secret key. I already have configured in my laptop and I have shown in another video how to configure your S3 bucket through a command line interface. Now I will see my bucket. Okay, there is no files under my bucket connection. Okay. Okay, there are two other ways how we can connect our S3 through a user interface. One is through an S3 browser. Using an S3 browser, you can easily connect your S3 buckets. First thing you need to is add your account. I already added my S3 user account, which I already created. So if you want to add a new account, you have to create account with the access key and secret key here. I already have done that. If you see, it can show all my files inside that. I'm going to create a new folder. Seeing this, say text one. I create a new folder inside that. Let me try to upload a file here. Okay. Now I have uploaded a file and created a folder also. By the same way, using this, you can access your S3 buckets. If you can create your S3 bucket, you can download files, you can upload files. This is one way of doing that. Let's see whether it is updated here. Okay, yes, it is updated. You can see the files. Okay, another way to access your S3 using the user interface is through a Visual Studio Code. You need to install Visual Studio Code. I have installed it already and go to View Extensions and search for AWS. It will give, you need to install AWS Toolkit. Okay, I'm installing, it's installed. Let me go to the command palette. I need to connect to an AWS first. Okay, I already have an S3 user created in my laptop, so I'm selecting that profile itself straight away. Okay, if you see now my S3 user profile is connected. If you want to change your region, you can show your regions and you can change it here. Now we will see the AWS. Okay, if you go to the view section and select for AWS, here I will be able to see my regions which I have already configured. Okay, I will select my Singapore region. If you see under the S3, I have two S3 buckets which was created for me. If you go to Connect Shakti, you can see the files which was already available. Now what I will try to is I will try to upload a file. First we will create a folder under that. Say I will select text2. Okay, if you see a new folder will be created under that. I will upload another file here. If you see, using this Visual Studio, I can easily upload or download my files. If I want to download, if I click download, it will automatically download from here. The same way I can create an S3 bucket here. I can create a folder and upload and download the files